You don't have to use a wire clothes hanger and a flat iron to do your crimps. Okay, I'm just saying, stop trying to, there's a whole hot tool for that. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install of the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
You got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh. If I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Oh, get with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me size. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyFirstWig. It is their Yara T part unit. This unit comes in a natural color or this blonde ombre highlight mashup that we got going on right here, and 130% density. This unit also comes in 10 to 20 inches, as well as the option to get this unit on a Swiss lace frontal. So instead of having the T part like you see right here, you can get the actual frontal on your unit. Now, depending on the specs you choose for your unit, the price can go up. For my specs, I got the T part unit and the 20 inches. Now, if you don't know what a T part is, T part basically means like a lace part, but you get an actual like frontal look around the hairline. So you get 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches in the middle, and then you also get 1 inch of parting space. If you want to shift your unit a little bit like I did, you can kind of curve your part to make it look a little bit more natural. When it comes to the T-part unit, they mainly come in straight backs, so when you shift your unit to the side, it doesn't look as natural. So thank goodness MyFirstWig does have that 1 inch of parting space to give us, you know, some curvature in there so we can finagle our part the way we need to, okay? This unit comes in a silky lightweight texture, which I'm here for, especially during these hot summer months. However, I do wish the density of this unit was a little bit, it was a little bit more for me. 130% density for me is just way too thin. 180 is like the goal, but you know, 150 is like, you know, the minimum I feel like, at least for me, okay? As far as the put down is concerned, I did not spray my unit down whatsoever. It does come with a natural-ish type of hairline, so if you don't want to go in and pluck anything, you don't have to. It did look pretty good in the middle based on how it was sitting on me, but I didn't want to rock it in the middle because of how the color was looking on me. This gives me straight up like black into the blonde. Mine doesn't really have a gradual effect in my opinion. Some of the roots are a little wonky, especially here in the front, so that's why I just went on and turned mine to the side, and then I did my little swoop action. Okay, when in doubt, swoop it out. And I do like it on my head a lot more now than I did when I first put her on. When I first put her on, I was ready to take her off. Okay, we listen. I actually thought this unit was gonna be a little bit darker. I didn't expect it to be as blonde. This blonde to me doesn't really give me, it matches my skin tone way too much for me to actually feel like I can pull it off. Does that make sense? But you know I like a challenge, okay? Challenge accepted. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this unit. It combs out like a dream. I mean, it's not a lot of hair anyway, so you know, there's that. See how it has this dark color right here? See how it has the dark color into like this brown color, then this blonde? If I was to take this square right here and put it on the entire wig, that, okay? Give me that. Give me this entire thing, this square. Give me that on a wig and I'm happy. For this to only be a T-part unit, and with the specs you get for the unit, the length and the color and things like that, you're pretty much paying for the color job. So if we paying for the color job, I'm gonna need the color job to be a little bit, I'm gonna need to be a little bit better than this, okay? That's my take on that. So what we thinking, y'all? What we thinking? I could probably put some little crimps in this joint with like my with my little wave iron. That could be an option. Oh, you know what? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Let's just use our little wave iron here that I got from, this is the what? The Bedhead Wave Artist iron that I got from Amazon. Just gonna put some waves in here to give it some more, you know, give it a bigger density, because right now she kind of thin. She put some waves in, put her on, close it on up. So I don't gotta hold it down. I can just hold it like this. Okay. Open it. Let's go. Do it again, and we do it again, and again, and again, and again. Okay, let me spray her down with some hairspray really quick. Let me put a crimp right here, right up here. Gotta get the balance right. Did we just do something? I think we did, okay? The 130 looks better with some texture in it, okay? Straight out the pack, sleek, not for me, okay? Okay, see, look at this, look, okay? I think the color looks a lot prettier as well with the crimps in it. It just gives the unit more movement in my opinion. You don't have to use a wire clothes hanger and a flat iron to do your crimps, okay? I'm just saying, stop trying to, people be trying to make stuff a trend and just like, sis, you're doing more work. There's a whole hot tool for that, okay? I mean, them Kardashians, I swear. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.